Alright, today we're going to put on the 2023 BMW 750GS. We're going to throw our brand new skid plate. Alright, this thing freaking is actually surprisingly pretty strong. Got this from AliExpress, freaking like $70 over the same thing that I could have got on like other websites that were like $150. So this is pretty sweet right here. So we'll show the installation and get it going. Alright, so we're under the bike now. I have the bike on the center stand, and basically you want to use these pre-open holes here that are connected to the engine. Right here, right here, right here, and right here. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this off, even though I know it's gonna get dirty. This is just for me. There's really no reason to do this. I mean, unless you really want to, you can. I don't know. The rest of the bike's dirty, but you know, screw it. So what we want to do is we want to line this up first with our holes, make sure they line up, which looks like they do, which is good. That's one thing I was kind of worried about with this, going with this other random brand here. So that's like a no-name brand, but I'm pretty sure it's one of those where it's something like, so when I first got it, like, it's a little messed up right here, but it's like, it's cheaper, so they probably just was like, get rid of it, you don't sell it. But this looks like it will work. Cool. So we'll get our screws all lined up and everything, and we'll go from there. Alright, so just be careful when you're putting these in to the engine. Don't do what I did, where I fucked up my Wonderlich. Putting the steel screw into the aluminum here, I freaking popped that when I was torquing it down like an idiot. And so don't do that. And yeah, that aluminum won't win, so you just screw it yourself if you put it in too tight like that, like I did. So throw these in here and start them. Get one on there and then get your second one going. Get that like that. There we go. And then get the other one in there into its slotted spot. And it comes with your crush washers and all that, so make sure to use those. I mean, I guess technically, I guess you don't need to, but don't, you know, just be careful when you're cranking it down on there. Get it hand started. What am I using? I'm using a Hex, is that a Hex 5? Got a Hex 5 in there, and get in there. Don't crank down on it hella hard. Like I said, you'll strip it like I did. And I wasn't too happy about that, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to re-thread it if I can. Oh, snap, right on the camera. There we go. I'm just getting it snug and then feeling it. I feel like there's too much resistance, then that means you've got more than enough on there. She ain't moving. Good. So now what you want to do with this plate is between these brackets here, this bracket, and this bracket, they give you this little rubber. You put this rubber on there. You want to stick it just like that. So that way, it's sitting on the plate, these should be like this on the inside. Alright? And that should do its job. And yeah, we'll get the screws and get this set up. Alright, make sure you got that little rubber gasket in there. That's gonna help. And then we gotta get our hand started. While I'm riding. Alright, so now that she's put on, let's take a look. So it's gonna guard all of this. None of this is touching, which is nice. There's like a little gap, a little tiny gap in between there. But none of that is touching anything, and she's looking good. The question is, will it hold up once I start going off-road and banging it up? But we will find out.